Alright, y'all, I don't know what this is. It is a 19-something or other Heinz 57, and it is cool as hell. This guy's got the old metal bucket seats in there, little shorty pads. Thing is sweet looking. Chevy rear end. What was the cab from?
41 Chevy cab.
41 Chevy cab.
350 crate motor. Everything's 4-inch tube, hand built.
I noticed you got an oil cooler. It's just a crate motor that's been prettied up. No
Little cam on it, bored a little, injectors. Nothing too crazy. Just a big go-kart.
Oh yeah. I got a YouTube audience that's normally motorcycles, but this is worth it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it got license plates all over it from every state too. So if the officer can't find the one that's good, all he got to do is look in a different spot. It might be there. Do all the plates come with it, or they just pulled off your shop wall kind of thing? Or
no, they came with it. The original builder added those to seal some patches, kind of be creative. So we did some stereo work inside. TVs, and I used the old miter motorcycle plate from Ohio to hold the amp rack.
oh hell yeah!
Coca-Cola sign. All the backup. Rear view mirrors and TVs, fully bagged on air ride.
Oh,
Got a real nice sound system in it.
The air ride's a little bit extra to go wrong, but you know, I like that. This, am I wrong? That's an old crab trap?
No, that was all handmade.
Okay.
The second owner hand built that, and he just took some tube stock and started at it. And this is just a patinaed paint to make it look old. The engine's only got 7,000. Well, the truck itself's only got 7,000 miles on it, so it's pretty much a new car. But this rack comes down here, and there's a ramp in here, and you can put your motorcycle in here. It's got 4-point connections, so you can actually mount a bike in the back.
We're vindicated that you can haul a motorcycle with it.
Yep.
Oh, and beefeater chin.
Yep.
Shame about the lock.
Right?
My granddad, he had a Mercury pickup with about that same cab shape. Only he never had the back window. One of the cows that talked about. He used to keep a wood box back there. He'd throw ice in it. He kept his beer in there. Whenever he ran out of beer, he'd just reach out the window and grab him another one.
That's the only thing I need to get fixed right now. I got a little bit of a shimmy in the front, but I need some new tires on the front, and then that back window's got a little crack in it. But that's the old glass, so I gotta have it replaced. Other than that, yeah, she's pretty much a hand job all the way up and down, man. And
nice. I like it.
Thank you, brother.
Ah, Yankee plate, damn it.
Hey, lifetime registration, never have to pay one again.
Yeah. I get mine for free, so I don't worry about it.
Plus, I let the white look better than the blue on it.
Yeah, matches the white walls. All right, y'all, I'm gonna cut this one off.